Hi, everyone, and welcome to InstantSalesFunnels.com. Instant lead generation software where you can build your sales funnel in 10 minutes or less. If you look up here at the top here, get your free storytelling email generator for affiliate marketing and instantly create high converting emails for free in seconds. This saves time, boosts sales, and you can work smarter. It's customized with a world class prompt from one of the world's greatest copywriters. So you're going to get awesome, in-depth emails are going to hook the readers and keep them reading and keep them clicking on your link and all that good stuff. Hi, everybody, and welcome to InstantSalesFunnels.com. Instant lead generation software. Build your sales funnel in 10 minutes or less. And we're right on my homepage here of InstantSalesFunnels.com. It's your free storytelling email generator for affiliate marketing where you can instantly create high converting emails for free in seconds, no skills required. It's going to save you time, boost your sales, and have you working smarter, not harder. And this is built with a prompt, a professional prompt with one of the world's top copywriters. So it's in his style. So you're going to get world-class emails that are going to tell stories, keep your audience engaged, and get them clicking any link that you want. You could have this is built for affiliate marketers, but businesses of any kind can use this. Just put in a fake affiliate link, and you can use this for your business, whatever. If you're an affiliate or if you have a business, e-commerce, whatever it is, you can all use this. But it's built specifically for affiliates. But don't let that deter you. So what you're going to do is enter your affiliate program details, hit submit, and watch your output appear below. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. I got a couple, I'll show you here in a second, a couple affiliate products set up with the product names and details and the email goal. We're going to quickly paste these into the boxes, and I'm going to show you how quick that this creates emails. So we're going to create. All you do and you enter a sentence or two on product name and details. The shorter, the better. This one's for Shopify. It's a user-friendly e-commerce platform that helps entrepreneurs set up online stores quickly. It offers flexible themes, secure payment processing, and robust support. We're going to enter the affiliate link. I'm just going to use mine. And we're going to email goals from another product. So we're going to delete this. We're going to go back over to ChatGPT. Copy the email goal, which says encourage potential store owners to start a free trial and launch their online business. Sounds good to me. We're going to go over and paste that in there. And it's already got it in here. Yeah, look how quick that was. It already did it before I even put the email goal in. Subject, the secret to your online empire awaits. Hey there, future e-commerce mogul. Let me take you on a little journey. Picture this. It's a rainy Tuesday afternoon and you're sitting at your kitchen table, coffee in hand, staring at your computer screen. You've got a brilliant product idea swirling in your mind, but there's one problem. You have no idea how to turn that idea into a thriving online store. Does this sound familiar? If so, you're not alone. Thousands of aspiring entrepreneurs are trapped in the same cycle of doubt and confusion. But what if I told you that there's a way to escape this cycle and launch your dream store in a matter of hours? Enter Shopify. Imagine a platform so user-friendly that even your grandma could set up an online store without breaking a sweat. Yes, it's that simple. With Shopify, you can choose from a treasure trove of flexible themes that make your store look like $1,000,000 without having to hire a designer. And it tells you more. It goes into a little story. Depending on what you're promoting, it's going to obviously the stories are going to be different. All you got to do is copy this, go over to your favorite autoresponder, paste it in, and you're ready to go. You can set up a whole email sequence. We're going to go over to the second one. This one's AWeber. We're going to do the same thing. Let me see if I can copy all this. Product name and details. We're going to go over here. We're going to refresh this page. Paste that in the first box, affiliate link. I'm just going to use jaysonlinereviews.com just for this example here. And it's already made it. It already created it even without the email, even without the goal. It's already done. But what you're going to do is Paste your email goal in here. Seems like you do more than one, it'll do it without the email goal, but when you're first starting, it'll let you put that in there. But it doesn't really matter either way. It's going to get the job done and get it done well. Let me see here. We're going to go back. We're going to put this in here. So it's quick. It does this. This tool is pretty awesome. I built this for me, and then I decided to make it public. Email goal, prompt readers to sign up and simplify their email marketing strategies. So here we go here. This is Aweber. Unlock your online business dreams with Aweber. Dear aspiring entrepreneur, let me take you back to a time when I was just like you, full of ideas, ambition, and a burning desire to launch my own online business. I had the vision, but there was one thing holding me back, the fear of failure. Sound familiar? Now picture this. You've just hit send on your first email campaign. Your heart races as you watch the open rates climb and your sales notifications ping like a symphony of success. That's the power of Aweber, my friend. You see, Aweber is not just another email service provider. It's your secret weapon in the battle for online success. With its rock solid deliverability, your emails won't just land in inboxes, they'll land in the hearts of your customers. Imagine your beautifully created campaigns reaching your audience without getting lost in the dreaded spam folder. That's the dream, isn't it? So it tells a story. It's not hard selling people, it's kind of entertaining them, and it's getting them to do what you want, which is click your link. If you're an affiliate, you want them to click your link so they can go over to whatever you're promoting, and then the sales page takes care of it from there. If you're a business, obviously you're going to have a little bit different goals. You might want them to bring over to a lead capture page, or maybe it's an e-commerce product you're selling, or it's a service you offer. This tool, anybody can use it. Like I said, built for affiliate marketers, but anybody that runs an online business can use this tool. So all you got to do is copy and paste it, like I said, and then go over to your favorite autoresponder, and you're good to go. So that's this tool, instantsalesfunnels.com. Link's going to be below. If you want a little upgrade here, I have a 7-day email prompt. I'm going to show you this real quick that I'm giving away. It's a 7-day Gary Halbert style email sequence, so powerful it practically prints cash. It's like that one, but a little better, and it does all 7 days for you, so you can even speed up the process a little more. So if you're doing one email, one or two, use the regular instantsalesfunnels.com tool. If you want to do a whole week of emails, this is good to have. So I'm going to give you that. You're going to be able to steal my top secret ChatGPT prompt vault that prints money on demand. Get it free. These are all my favorite prompts. I guess there's about 10 of them, I believe. And I'm going to go over to right here. You can see them right here. I got a lot of good prompts. And I'm going to give you the actual prompts so you can use them for your own business. So it's going to help you create content and all that good stuff. I got a bunch of different ones that I'm going to send to you, a link with the prompts. And you just copy and paste them going over to your own ChatGPT account, and you'll be in business. And we're going to go back here. We also got a free bonus training. It's a 1-hour video, how to create undetectable AI content. Awesome video. It's an hour long, and it goes into depth on my strategy and how I'm creating content that sounds more human with the right prompts, what I'm doing. And you're going to want to check out this video if you're creating content online. And that's about it for that. That's all free tools. Just let me know where to send it, and I'll send it over to you ASAP. We're going to go back over to the main tool here. And I'm also giving away, there's a very good in-depth webinar where they're giving away 52 PLR funnels in a bunch of different niches. You're going to want to check that out. You're also going to learn a lot about email marketing, a lot about it. You're going to get training about it, and they're going to show you how to do that. And there's going to be 52 free different PLR funnels you can basically copy and paste. And that's going to be, there's a lot more details of that, but I'm going to leave it at that. Link's going to be directly below as well, so you can check that out. Sign up for the free webinar and learn, take notes, educate yourself, and take advantage of the free stuff that's part of the webinar. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up sign if you enjoyed it. If you use my tool, let me know how you like it in the comments below. It's going to save you a lot of time. Basically, it's just a helpful tool you can have at your arsenal. You want to get emails out quick that are good and that are going to save you a lot of time. This is going to do it. I also got a bunch of free tools here I want to end this video on. This is really cool because I got a ton of free tools for marketers. There's an AdSense calculator. There's an AI hook generator, website traffic calculator. I got a free email subject line analyzer tool. The free sales funnel tool is what I just went over. Free sales funnel return on investment calculator. Free email return on investment calculator. Free story-based email outline and template generator. A YouTube earnings calculator. Free AI lead magnet generator. Calculate sales tax. Calculate conversion rate. There's even a credit card payment calculator. Discover how you got some credit card debt. Discover how you can be debt free. That's what that does. Daily compound interest calculator. I got a fun one in here called the age calculator. You can find your exact age down to the day. Wage paycheck calculator. Car, even for car loans, all that stuff. Most of this has to do with money. I got a few fun ones in there that appeal to pretty much everybody. But I want to end that video here. Come and check out my free tool. It's awesome. It's going to save you a lot of time. Make sure you upgrade. Links up here, and the links are going to be down below in the video description box. Thanks for watching once again. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.